Students, you have seen that since the time Hari Singh is with Anil, he has not done any sort of thievery, any sort of robbing. So that is why he's telling you that, well, it's time I did some real work. It has been, many times since he has done something in his line of work. He has stolen or robbed. I told myself I am out of practice, and if I don't take the money, he will only waste it on his friends. After all, he doesn't even pay me. So now, Hari Singh in a way just feeling guilty of himself with the idea of robbing Anil. So he is just trying to convince himself. He is just thinking in himself that, I have out of my practice, because I have not stolen, I have not robbed for a while now, and further he is telling himself that he means to say that he need to rob, otherwise he will forget. He is now already out of the practice, he is not in practice. And further he is justifying his stealing by saying that, if he would not take the money from the Anil, anyway he will just waste it, Anil would waste it on whom? On actually his friends. You saw his habits earlier in the story, that whenever Anil got the money, whenever Anil earned the money, he always spends a lot of, he just wastes the money. He just go into the bars, have some parties, he just wastes the money. So that is why Hari Singh is thinking that he should use that money, he should take that money for his own welfare. And then he is also thinking that, after all, Anil does not pay me also, so it is his right to take some money from Anil. That's what Hari Singh is thinking. Students, we have to discuss on these questions also. Answer of these questions will be written to you, but first, we can discuss on these questions. And actually when I will teach you the whole story, when whole story will be completed, then answer of all the questions will be written actually.